Welcome back. Welcome to the course on object-oriented programming with standard C++ given by Subaraj Academy. Today, I'm going to talk to you about an important concept which needs to be imbibed upon all the developers. That is building reusable code with standard C++. See, we have been talking about reusability ever since the object-oriented programming came in, but unfortunately the progress is slow. Okay, and I'm going to try to motivate you to use reusable code and develop reusable code in C++. I had divided this talk into three parts. In the first part, I will give an introduction to reusability concept and features of three popular languages: Java, Python, and C++. In the next lesson, I'll talk about building reusable code with C++. And finally, I will explain to you how reusability can be used in programs involving pointers to array and array pointers in C++. Okay. The course is on C++, so I'm going to discuss about the concepts pertaining to C++. So we are in the first session of this topic, where we are going to look at reusing code, Java, Python, and C++. Lesson 11a. In fact, all the three languages have similar features with regard to reusability, and some features, for some features, the particular language may be preferred. So all three languages support reusability very much. See, all the three of them are object-oriented programming languages. Okay, and I'll tell you what are the important features of Java which enable reusability. The interfaces in Java, they enable interface-based programming, allowing components to be reused across different implementations. That's the special feature of Java. Garbage collection you find in all the three languages, automatic garbage collection. And rich standard library, also I would say, all three languages, Java, Python, and the C++, they're rich in standard libraries. And the packages and model systems, again, they are not only particular to Java, but they are also, you can also find them in Python. Generic programming is also not particular to Java alone, but C++ supports generic programming. So the special feature of Java is interfaces, okay, and package and model systems. Now, when you look at Python features pertaining to reusability, dynamic typing is one of the features not available in any other language. Python dynamic typing and duck typing, there's another concept of duck typing for polymorphism, makes it flexible for code reuse. These are unique to Python. You can't find them in other two languages. In fact, the Java and C++ are static typing. Duck typing you can't see in the other languages. Duck typing in Python, duck typing allows objects to interchangeably based on their behavior rather than explicit type. This is a very, very interesting feature of Python. It promotes code reuse. And all other things are you can find in the other two languages, but model packages defined in Python and Java, they enable organization and reuse of code components. And decorators are also unique in Python. Decorators also help you to reuse code functionalities. I had dealt with this in my course on Python, and also my book I wrote on programming in Python 3 made easier. Okay, so Python stands out in dynamic typing, DAC typing, and modules and packages, and decorators. Decorators really unique to Python. When it comes to C++, C++ has got templates for generic programming like Java, quite useful. And memory management system is really strict control over memory management in C++, unlike other languages. It requires manual memory management, which can be more error prone but provides greater control and performance optimization opportunities. C++ is known for, in performance wise, C++ is superior, is the number one of three languages. So, this you should note that, and it has got rich ecosystem of libraries. STL is very powerful and boosts. They offer various reusable components, plenty of them. Okay, plenty of reusable components are found. You can find in STL, standard template library in C++. Namespaces, another important unique thing in C++. So C++ namespaces prevent naming conflicts. Very important in larger programs, bigger projects, and provide a level of organization for reusable components. So C++ stands out in namespaces and the memory management templates. So each language has got its own feature, and all the three of them, they will help you to develop reusable components. So if you compare all the three languages, the strengths with regard to reusability, they have different strengths in terms of reusability. They offer different strengths in terms of reusability. Python dynamic typing and data typing stands out. C++ with its templates and manual memory management and powerful libraries provide a higher degree of control and performance optimization. Performance means C++. DAC typing means Python. Okay, interfaces means Java. Okay, templates is also very important addition of standard C++. Okay, so all three of them are equally good. Is C++ superior? I won't give you the answer. Okay, you have to find out. Modularity, see, is there in every language. And reduce code duplication. You don't rewrite code, same code again and again. Productivity, because of that, productivity increases. Abstraction encapsulation also is provided by other languages. Okay. So in short, use whichever language you are familiar with and whichever language your project needs it. It of course got all other features like code sharing can do in all three. Readability is better in C++ with braces and so on. And of course, maintenance is easy. So this course is on C++, so I will be giving example course for reusable example course written in C++. So in this lesson, I'll also give a flavor of reusability by giving a program for implementing multiple inheritance using reusable class with standard C++. Okay. You know, multiple inheritance means a class inherits from more than one base class, which is not supported in some languages. Java doesn't support this. Okay. So let's look at it. What are the steps involved? So I will give you a brief how you do it in C++, how you build reusable classes and use them in the future projects. So I will do this by explaining you one example application that is for bookstore management. Simple, but it will tell you the concepts very clearly. It will bring out the concepts of reusability in C++ very clearly. So we need a book class to create objects with accession number, book, and author names. 3 data members, and save it as book.h. Then you develop a class that will add another data member called price of the book. Save it as bookprice.h. Then develop a book data class. This is the final class, which will include both the classes, and add 2 more data members. The last class is executable, so you will store it as CPP, book data.cpp. So you will add main function and display function. So understood? The first 2 are the classes available in your store, tested classes available in store, which you can reuse this in the book data class. So this class is available, but still you can test it. How will you test it? This is a class book. They already tested it, used it. So you have to test it. You can compile it and see. It will compile well. If it doesn't, you should correct the mistake if there are compilation errors. So how to test it? You need a driver. What driver? So this is a class by. Listen first the class book, 3 data members, and constructor and display function. So you write the main function. You write the main function int main, open close parenthesis, opening brace. Then create a class of create an object of class book. So book obj semicolon. Then you call the display function, and of course book obj, and within parenthesis you have to give the number 1. Book name is C++, author name is Subbaraj. So book obj within parenthesis number 1 C++, comma Subbaraj. Okay. Then the next sentence, next statement, you type obj dot. So obj is the object I created. Okay. Obj dot display. So that will display all the 3. So if the program compiles and runs correctly and giving the data you already supplied, then your class book is safe to use. Same thing you go with price.h. Here we're adding only 1 more data item. Then finally now we come to the final class, book data.cpp, because this is the one we are going to execute it. The target program. So where first to include see double quote book.h, because it indicates that the program is developed by the user. Hash include book price.h, again it's developed by the user. If it is a library, you write hash include IOStream, angle brackets you'll put. So if you type like this, that means the programs were developed by you. So using namespace, fine. Now class book data, that is the final class you are making. It inherits book with through public inheritance, inherits book price through public inheritance. Okay, 2 classes inherits. Adds its own data members, pages, discount, int pages, double discount. Now we have a constructor. So book data is the name of the class. So we have 3 data members because of the class book, and 1 because of book price, and 2 because of the current class. So there will be 6 data members. So give all of them, and book has contributed 3 data members, PQR, and book price only 1 data number D, and we are giving initial values to pages and discount, which are data members of this particular class. Got it? You have made the class book data. Now you add a function display, which will display all the 6 data members. The main function, you create an object Java B of class book data, and give all this. One is the acquisition number, C plus the name of the book, author's name, and this is the price. Okay, and number of pages 501, and point to the discount. So this will call the constructor of the book data class. It will call the constructor book data class, and it will create the object Java B. one Java B.display. It will display all the 6 data numbers as given here. Got it? So I explained to you in this lesson that the programming languages, object-oriented programming languages such as Java, Python, and C++, they support, the reusability. So one should always try to develop reusable code so that it will save efforts and reduce errors and improve quality. And we also discussed about the features. All 3 of them are good, and each one has got its own special features. Then I gave one example of building a reusable program, building a program using reusable components. We have 2 components, already tested components, book and book price. So that we included in the new component we were developing, a new program we were developing, and implemented multiple inheritors. And we executed the program and got the result. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again. Bye-bye.